My advice to all the cultists in Nigeria, mostly at those states, I just come out this morning at the paro. At the paro for all those cultists within Nigeria, mostly at those states. Now they fool on yourself. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. I just can't use the opportunity to advise all those people where they be, where they kick up and down. Una not get sense. Now poverty they worry on. Imagine the cockability. What did they worry on herself? Una go jail court to the key innocent people. Where be say government dead there for una to use my unity. Come back together. Wanna go meet government. Wanna ask government what the government will take benefit to now. Now they kill each other. At the paro, not be like this morning, video I don't watch it yesterday, the way they kill innocent people for Benin. At the shame for all the cultists within Nigeria. At the shame for now. Okay, may I ask now one question? Una no be big men where they cultists. Like Davido now, if he carry gun go keep person. Whiskey if he carry gun go keep person. Two-Face, not be cultist. He go fit carry gun go keep person. Una no people where they cultists where be say they wear. Don't fit carry gun go keep person. All those poor people wey never see food eat. Mumu people. Your call say be cultist. No, they call cultist. Now illiteracy they worry all of na illiteracy. I want to tell you now. Aye, Bokanya, Maf, Arobaga, una dey craze. Una not get sense. Which day una don't unite? Una still call una self say mo still do meeting. Mo go meet government. Say see wetin we because we not viral. If you look the old cultists, don't be waiting they had again. All the old cultists not viral. Which cultists they not even they get branch abroad. Come Europe, make us see the old cultists, they get branch everywhere. They get branch abroad, get branch everywhere for the world. Now don't viral. Now don't viral full everywhere. Still yet, now not use no sense. Mona gather together and say, okay, now let's go and meet federal government or state government. More demand something from them. What you go help? Okay, Mona look Niger Delta. Now you see Niger Delta militants. Now cut this the BO, but they're tight. Now they key anyhow. If they want key, they don't say they want key. Now they key anyhow. All those Niger Delta cultists. Does not be cultists? Niger Delta militants, they be cultists. Just that they wear. All those local Benin people they say cultists. You all come out, you fly blue beret, come out fly black beret, because the form say, my God, now poverty they worry you. If you don't make money, you'll know say this is why they tell you the truth. If you don't really make money for life, you'll come see and say, really, to even come and say you be cultist, the shame not let you try. You'll say na shame, na stain to your name. Na stain to your name. If they pay me say, some people you sit down, they know you get sense. Which day since na start that cultist for Nigeria? Which day of don't sit down? Aye, Mafat, Bokanyan, Arobaga, no sit down and still do meeting for us. Which day? You go join the cultist, say maybe enemy of the other court. You go join the cultist, make you be enemy of the other cultist. What do you make you join cultist? What do you make you join court? You when they wash me, what do you make you join court? You join court, make you go to kill the other person. Or you join court to make you deal. What do you make you join? I know you know. See what did they happen for those states now? Now see what did they happen for those states? Are you guys happy? When be say people don't go for nowhere. They don't go for nowhere. Say they be caught, it's going to kill people for those states. Now they happy? Now they happy? When people don't go for nowhere. You're going to kill people for those states. Now let those states for the do killing. No go up, no go another place. No go north. No go kill people for north. We then don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. We then don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. Why business let those states? Why business let those states? Why those states? Where be say any small thing, I don't kill better people. Where be say supposed to be better people in future. I don't kill all the finish. No one be president tomorrow. No one be governor tomorrow. All the name of Aye, Bokanya, Mafat. Now don't kill everybody finish. Now God will the punish all of una. Now God will the punish all of una. No, they don't get sense. Big boy, whether they make money, big boy, whether they make money, you know if you carry gun come and say, I will kill a fellow person. For what reason? Now, not even they drag money. Ask me to the cost quarter. If you go party now, that one say, my girlfriend, yours body didn't like my girlfriend. Very nasty this way they cause problem. Not be money, not the share, now it cause problem, not be money cause problem. When did they cause problem? Nothing. Since we cut is the fight for bill, we don't know it cause problem. Before you knew, they don't kill Sazua. Before you knew, they don't kill Jacob. Before you know, waiting, oh, wakire, oh, wakire. Bini people wakire, if do all the courts where they bini wakire, oh, what wakbe. Una not get sense. Okay, see una leader for inside the courts. All those ones they go meet governor, the tear money give them. May I tell you something? Aye leader, leader, Mafat leader, Bokania leader, Arobaga leader. Their leader, they'll go collect money for governor hand. All these small boys will go they kill yourself. Una not get sense. Like me be now, oh Kofra my friend. If you come and say, man, don't play with this Kofra, or man, don't do this one, now God will punish you. You disgrace. Oh Kofra my friend. Are they mad? When did they stop? When did they stop? See now they kill everybody anyhow. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. You know the meaning of death? If you keep person don't finish, you are condemned the career. Financially, you destroy the life of that person. So yours say when you born, before you all know, if your wife still in the hospital, maybe the boy say want go see wife before you all know they say don't kill the boy. For what reasons? Which gain that they get? You don't kill that people, you say you rugged. Which gain you get? At the end, you're hungry. You don't kill fat people. You dey call yourself say you rugged. You rugged to kill fat people. Which gain you get for that to killing that fat people? You bam, you dey okay, you rich. At the end, you're going to smoke it for corner. No level for you. Big boys never ever kill. More than concentrating big boys they do. They just they zoo up and down. They just they zoo. I bet when they share this video. I want all the old cultists where they been. May they listen to this video. I beg all the cultists where they been. I want me to listen to this video. All their number one, all the leaders of the cultists, may they listen to this video. It's our time for now to advance on ourselves. Why killing? Too much killing is too much. Why? If they pardon me, why? Where did they stop? None of you organize, all the leaders of the okay now, as we don't very rich now, nobody they don't know the cultists. Call Europe here, call all the states for Europe. If they say cultists not, then I lie. All the states for Europe, cultists there everywhere. At the end, no benefit, nothing. Now you have to kill each other. Fool yourself up and down. Why? Why fooling yourself? You go join cultists, maybe for going to kill your own brother. What do you make you join cultists? Maybe for going to kill your own brother, let me make you join cultists. Now better thing be that. You go join cultists, maybe they kill your own brother. Now better thing be that. Your own brother. Hey God, I dey shame for Benin people. Wagumagba do walao, if do walao, keke wariri aje do, wanaga cultists. Walu wanegbuwa. The killing is too much. The killing is too much. Why? The killing is too much. Why killing like that? Which day all the Kofra still sit down, say men still do friend. One day, all the Kofra within Nigeria, all the Kofra within Nigeria go sit down. Say, okay, most still unite together. Waiting. When I join the Kofra, they kill each other. Those days when they hear back Kofra for peace, for unity. But now, that's what they kill. What? None of them got killing. None of them got killing. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? It could maybe say all the number one, Aye number one, Eye number one, Bokania number one, Mafa number one, all the number one men. Mona come and call you, everybody come and call them. Mona call them, by the grace. I don't get that this morning. What did they worry on now? I don't get sense. Mona go the next state, Mona go the rest state. Whether they suffer beneath, they suffer the rest state like that. Now, Wajare no like cut. Mumu people. Mumu. Now, poverty they worry what? You know the kind of poverty where they worry wish. You get one video where I do wish they hear. I say all the wish where they Nigeria. No billionaire for wish. Now, never see billionaire for wish. Now, poor people they see for wish. That poverty life where they worry wish. Now they worry all those cultist people. That poverty life when they worry all those wish, now they worry all those cultist people will be say they don't get future for their life. When did they just get not to kill? Why? Why killing? Why killing? Why killing? No get sense. So the boy don't rock more for Benin call Europe. Still here the killing still take place. This one more rat when you wake up tomorrow, not say you carry go the key. No get sense. No get sense. No even come out and even they blame guess where they friend all those boys self. Guess where they friend of now be wayward guess. Any guess where be say you see say your old guy now cut it in the key. You still carry to they give him a fuck. You be a guy. Your body to disown you as a daughter. If all those boys don't see girlfriend friend, they go wise. They go wise. No, not too much. Where did they stop? What did they stop? No get sense. See killing for Edo State, it be like war. Since then when be say war day, I never see say all the roads where they Nigeria or Edo State, more than gather say okay, now let's go and fire government. No fit do anything. Now even people never they cut. Now they ever they do end process, end SAS, and I don't see where all those cuttings come at one day. All of now fly say okay. Don't you know say that this group, now you be this one, that this group will never come out demand for one better thing for since I was born. Since I was born, I never see all the countries for Edo State demand better thing for government hand. Not even they demand anything. Now just to the key. Is that a good level be that? None of you come and demand something for government hand. Say government, see what we need because not be waiting they had again. It don't vary. All the countries where they Benin, it vary. Not only me say vary. Call Europe. Go anywhere for the world. You go America, go Holland, go London. Nowhere countries not there again. Not where they hide. It's our time for we to sit down and reason say, okay, now, see what do they find, not by killing. The more that they kill, the more the land of Benin, they draw and go back where, no feel rich. If you don't say you get cultist, you see the key, go back and say, poverty will never finish your generation. You dey cultist, you still dey kill for Edo State, you dey kill for any state. Poverty will never finish in your generation. I declare poverty to your life. I declare poverty to your life. Now me, your prophet. If you don't say you want to try me, you dey cultist of Benin, you still dey kill. You don't use your cultist to do better thing. Many people say, since when this boy join cult, his level don't change now. Now big dude now, he's investing in so many places. Not be to go join cult, the key. I declare right now, any cultist in Benin that is still killing, may poverty never finish in their ass. And the curse. Now me, your prophet, I will destroy the cultists of this world. I will destroy now with spiritual, everything I will destroy now. I will destroy now. Wait till they stop. Now learn how they read. Now no get sense. Mona call Europe. All these Oyibo they get cultists. Now big boy level. And yeah, big boy level. Why Benin you come be killing. Imagine you say, man, not play with a year. Man, not play with this one. Man, not play with this one. Wait, I go play with everybody. Go punish all of you now. When they share this video, I beg. When they share this video, me all of them they see her. May they see I say I don't paro this morning. I paro. Hey, where did they stop? We don't even come out now. More use our cultists now. More they demand big thing for government. Now only the leader go to enjoy government. Only the leader now they enjoy government. Now only the leader of cultists go to enjoy government. We don't know how much government they give the leader. Eh? All those na leader are cultists, and how much Edo State government they give them. Eh? So all the cultists in Nigeria, their leader, no much Edo State government they give them, but the local ones on their side, now to the key. The local ones on their side, now to the key. Why killing? Why killing? Why Otena? Why Otena? Why Zua? I mean useless souls. I pity for the family. They understand the joint court. Oh, yeah. No get sense. When did they stop? This money, I dey vex this money for real. I dey paro this money. Why I see many dead body yesterday for Benin? When did they stop? See dead dead body full everywhere. Now life be that. Now life be that. Is that one a better life? How can you go and join court and be killing your fellow brothers? You will be happy that without burning 2-1, 4-2. Now they use you might be the cast cause. You might be the cast cause. Today, God, say God not they exist. But by God, if you know you are existing, I declare poverty to their life. And the grace. If God they exist, now go see him. What did they happen? Everywhere, killing for Edo State. Everywhere, killing for Edo State. Why? See, if you dare court, you not respect yourself. Any girl when they friend you, my friend declare for all those girls. Because those girls they give on a level. God, any girl at all, when you know say boyfriend, na cultist, and that boyfriend they key, and the girl still pretend they give out to me they fuck. Baba God, disgrace that girl in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. God, any girl that sees boyfriend that is a cultist is killing in a State in anywhere in Nigeria, and the girl pretend to not talk to the government, to not go and expose that boy, and the girl keeps silent. God, kill that girl immediately. Because all those girls when are afraid, they know a secret. All those girls when are afraid, they know a secret. They need to go to tell government say, you be killer. And if the girls no go tell government, at the same killing, at the same that killing where they kill go return to all those girls. Vosunu, wajare. Mona they share this video and the parole. I beg when they share this video. So that means they see her. I don't know if I say cold, they are the sweat. See my body? Cold, they are the sweat. Because I the parole. Vosunu, wajare. Mona go Delta State. Mona see what they use. The community, government they pay community. And those states not get one group where we say, now I recognize the group now. Our government one regular, our go ginya. No one. I hear my your flag beret. Blah 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 blah. I hear your flag beret. Blah 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 blah. But even the game one where you see you come away they call they say be vakis. Who are vaki like me? Who are vaki like me? Who are vaki who? No get sense. No get sense. Our ladia, now you the zwar. Girls now, even girls go see soon put all of on yash. When I don't get anything for us years, the girl see they happy, my guy get dread. You see them every day open the boy you too. That's also one that they draw for their dread. Not today their life. That's also one that they put for their dread. So one. You know what the boy dread. Pulleri. Even not barrere. Not the day say not the day the brain. I pity those girls with the friend now. I pity those girls with the friend now. Because when I have a milk kobo bia, it have a milk kobo who. Many Okobo they guess. Many Okobo, they many for guess. Many Okobo, many for guess. I'm your me again now. Are the friend boy with the key? We not get money. Poor boy. We be say never get money. What I hear say don't go key. Now rogelit in one shop. Now rogelit in one shop. I pity the old girls. More than they share this video. Because this money, are the verse all the cultists. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? Why killing? Why killing? The killing is too much. What did they happen, Seth? The killing is too much. Where did they stop? When they use no sense? Mona go America. Mona go see America cultists. The way they do their thing. Very majestically and matured. Okay, don't work in your way. Don't work in your way. You just see boy when never go school. In every before you know they don't play for a year. They don't play for a year, conductor. Ozuo. Don't play for a year. They don't come out. They worry you. They worry you. My brother, my company. My your company. Mona see what you want up. Mona, my company. Me one person go try. I know will kill you. But the way the hotel beat you. The way the hotel beat you. You not go die, but the way the hotel beat you. If you see Curtis, you best. Now you wait till they saw up. Well, now not get sense. Now not get sense. If I see any kill again, I go come out. una go see wetin wan happen.